Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi and you are welcome to the UTech Consult Diaries. Today we want to look at how to remove line breaks from text in Excel. You can see that where we have the column, we have our sales point address. We have line breaks in there. That's we have rules in each cell. So you can see that the address, you have 1 Kotokraba Market, then there's a line break, CC, line break, Central. I want to remove this line break from each of the cell. How do we go about it? We select the range. We use the find as Control H to bring the find and replace wizard. In the find, we type Control plus a J, so Control plus a J. You see a blinking in there. You go to the replace with. In there, you type 1 space, and you go to replace all. Automatically, you can see that the sale point address have all been changed. The line break has been removed, and you have only 1 row in each of the cell. Thank you very much and continue to follow us on UTech Consult Diaries. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.